How to set a video as a ringtone on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the source bar. Now type MP3 converter. Now click on search when you're done. Now scroll down. Now tap on MP3 video converter. Now tap on install. Now wait for some time. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now tap on OK. Now give the permissions. Now click on accept. Now select the video icon. Tap on OK. Now select the video. Now select the MP3 format. Now tap on change. Now tap on OK. Now tap on save icon. Now tap on download icon. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up Google Files. Now tap on audio. Now tap on the audio. Tap on three dots. Now tap on set as ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.